Hello and welcome to another of my how-to videos, and today we're going to take a look at changing the front anti-roll bar. Before my first year of motorsport, this was something I'd never tackled before, but believe me, by the end of the season it was something I was very familiar with. On track, we change between the different anti-roll bars depending upon conditions. So in the wet or the damp, we use the thinner orange bar more often, which gives more feel, but in drier conditions then we go to the thicker bar. In Academy, the red bar is the option permitted, and this stiffens up the front and would be better for drier conditions. As you progress further than Academy, then you can use even thicker bars. So as you move into road sport and beyond, we can use the green bar as well. So let's head down into the garage and I'll show you how it's done. Remove the cable tie and pull back the rubber gaiter. You will find two bolts on either side of the car on the inside of the chassis holding on the anti-roll bar. Remove all four bolts. From one side of the car, hold the anti-roll bar with a firm grip. Pull and work the ball of the anti-roll bar out from the socket on the upper wishbone. And repeat on the other side. Remove the anti-roll bar by threading through between the chassis and the radiator. Make sure the ball on the anti-roll bar you are replacing is clean of any debris. Apply a small amount of automotive grease. Thread the anti-roll bar between the chassis and the radiator, ensuring the bracket that is holding the anti-roll bar is flush against the front of the chassis. Push the bowl on one side of the anti-roll bar into the socket. Now move to the other side. Using the upper wishbone, you'll find you need to compress the anti-roll bar to locate in the socket. Replace all four bolts. These are tightened to 20 Newton meters. Make sure the rubber gaiters are correctly located over the socket and secure in place with a cable tie. Replace the nose cone. On track, many drivers secure only the upper two fixings of the nose cone. This allows the nose cone to move if you should happen to hit something. There we are, a nice straightforward job there. Please do give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already. Check out other similar videos in my how-to playlist. But for now, thank you for listening and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.